Certainly. Here are 10 fascinating facts about the deep ocean. 1. Vastness of the deep ocean. The deep ocean covers more than 60% of Earth's surface and contains 95% of the planet's total water volume. It is a vast and largely unexplored realm. 2. Deepest point on Earth. The deepest part of the ocean is the Challenger Deep, located in the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. It reaches a staggering depth of about 36,070 feet, 10,972 meters. 3. High pressure and extreme conditions. The deep ocean is characterized by extreme pressure, with pressures reaching up to 1,000 times greater than at sea level. The lack of sunlight also creates a pitch-black environment. 4. Hydrothermal vents. Deep-sea hydrothermal vents are hot springs on the ocean floor that release mineral-rich water. They support unique ecosystems and are home to extraordinary organisms adapted to survive in extreme conditions. 5. Bioluminescence. Many deep-sea creatures have the ability to produce light through a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. This adaptation helps them attract prey, communicate, or even camouflage themselves in the dark depths. 6. Cold seeps. Cold seeps are areas where methane and other hydrocarbon-rich fluids escape from the seafloor. They create unique ecosystems and support diverse communities of organisms. 7. Mysterious creatures. The deep ocean is home to a plethora of bizarre and fascinating creatures. From deep-sea anglerfish with their bioluminescent lures to gelatinous deep-sea squids, the deep ocean is teeming with unique lifeforms. 8. Long-lived species. Some deep-sea species are known for their extraordinary longevity. For example, the Greenland shark is one of the longest-living vertebrates, with some individuals estimated to live for over 400 years. 9. Sunken shipwrecks. The deep ocean holds countless sunken shipwrecks, providing a glimpse into maritime history and acting as artificial reefs that attract diverse marine life. 10. Scientific exploration challenges. Due to the extreme depths and conditions, exploring the deep ocean is a significant scientific challenge. Advanced technologies like remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, are used to study and capture images of this mysterious realm. These 10 facts offer just a glimpse into the wonders and mysteries of the deep ocean. It's a fascinating and relatively unexplored part of our planet, holding immense potential for scientific discoveries and insights into the complexities of marine life and Earth's geology.